Okay. Verse 2 of God of our Fathers, because my phone got tired of recording. So, thy love divine hath led us in the past.
Thy love divine hath led us in the past.
In this free land by thee our lot is cast.
In this free land by thee our lot is cast.
Do you know what lot is cast means? Not sure?
Not sure.
Have you ever seen somebody take dice and throw them when they're playing a game?
Yep.
Roll the dice. Lot is cast is kind of an old-fashioned way of saying roll the dice. Have you ever heard somebody say that? Roll the dice. It means that God is the one who's choosing what happens to us, and he'll take care of us. So it's like meant to be kind of comforting. Be thou our ruler. Can you say that? Be thou our ruler.
Be thou our ruler.
Guardian.
Guardian.
Guide.
Guide.
And stay.
And stay.
So stay means he'll help us stay secure. Does that make sense?
Yep.
You know what a guardian and a guide means?
Yeah.
Like you show the way and you guard us and keep us safe.
Yep.
And ruler, like a king is a ruler.
Yep.
So you know how we don't have a king.
Yep.
So it's saying God is our ruler. So be thou, because see how thou, that's an old-fashioned word for you. So it's like you can be our ruler. And so that's what this means when it says be thou our ruler, guardian, guide, and stay. Can you try saying that?
Be thou our ruler, guardian, guide, and stay.
Thy word our law.
Thy word our law.
Thy paths our chosen way.
Thy paths our chosen way.
So the word, Christians read the Bible. Have you heard of a Bible before?
No.
So it's this big, thick, kind of like this hymnal here. It's a big, thick book. And it has the 10 Commandments in it. Do you know what the 10 Commandments are? It's like, thou shalt not kill. Thou shalt not steal. Have you ever heard somebody say that before?
No.
Well, it's just a list of rules that's like, hey, be nice to people. That seems like a good idea. So that's what that's saying. Does that make sense?
Yep.
So those are the first 2 verses. And I think my phone's about to give out again. So we'll just stop there and we'll maybe do the next 2 verses next week.
Okay.
You have any questions?
No.
Okay. Sounds good. We'll stop there.